Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now on to today's headlines. Unity, the maker of the popular game engine with the same name, has announced a 25% reduction in force that will impact 1,800 employees. Unity just had a layoff of 265 staff in November, so it's unclear whether the 1,800 number is on top of those 265 or includes that smaller figure. Unity has cited the reasons for the cuts as being to restructure and refocus on core business and position itself for long-term growth. There's also no word yet on what benefits and support the departing employees might be receiving. VideoAmp, an advertising technology company based in Los Angeles, is implementing a 20% reduction in force that will result in the layoff of 80 employees. This is the company's second round of layoffs in the past 5 months, as they laid off 40 staff members back in September. Additionally, there has been a recent overhaul in the C-suite, with founder Ross McRae stepping down from the CEO role on Thursday and announcing a number of promotions as part of the transition. VideoAmp has said that the laid-off staff will receive industry-standard severance packages, but not expanded on what those are. Finally, the Seattle-based startup Flexe is laying off 99 workers, or 38% of its workforce, per a statement by its CEO on Monday. Flexe laid off 131 employees in September, so they've trimmed well over half their workforce in the past 6 months. Flexe, which also helps online retailers with warehousing space and shipping, is one of the startups that has been hit hard by the supply chain and freight issues. Despite reaching a $1 billion valuation in 2022 and being backed by a series of major investors, Flexe, like other startups, is struggling with profitability and scalable growth.